I'm Maya. I'm Gilbert, and we're our family. So this is a story about me and Rosa having a baby. So like it too. No. I'll bring that dear. That must be honey. Yes, honey? I have some good news for you. What is it? I'm having a baby. Oh my God. Is it a boy or a girl? It's both. Both? Yes, I get to be a dad. Yay. First, I have to go and get some money for the doctor. Okay. Honey, you ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's go. Come on. Come in. Okay. Right here. Okay. Right here, honey. I think there's the bedroom. Okay. I'm going to get in the bed. So we're going to wait until she comes, okay, hon? Wait. Hi, I will be... Hello, how may I help you? Okay. Hello. Welcome to LPS. Welcome to LPS Doctor House. How may I help you today? Hi, me and my wife would like me and my wife are having a baby, so right this way, please. Okay, come on, honey. So she's gonna be on this bed right here. You might have to stand back. There's gonna be a little bit of blood, so just so you know. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here comes the punch. And
who's that?
push.
Let's get you ready. We're going. Come on.